Hey guys, I'm back with the sandpaper airplane video. Um, we were still making the airplane last time we left off, and it's almost done. So just watch part one, you'll get to where we are now, and then part two, you'll be finished with the plane, and then we'll do a test flight video, and then we'll be done. Alright, here we go. Okay, so this is where we left off last time. And then, so you see this part right here? You're gonna have to grab it right here, and then you're gonna crease right here. Make a very strong crease because the paper starts to get tough when it's double folded. And then do the same thing for here. And then you open it, or you don't open the whole plane. You see this, now you have like a diamond shape. You just press, go to press, and crease each side individually, or at the same time. Now, see this? See this edge right here? We're gonna fold all the way down here. And paper's gonna get tough guys, so be careful. Okay, and do the same thing over here. Please don't have to be this necessary. Okay, so now you see this part, you see this little top flap, we're gonna fold this down to a center DI point. Now, see how it is now? Now, get this fold right here. And you just fold. Fold the wing straight down. Oops, fold it straight down here. And then you have the airplane, but not yet. We still have a few more to do. Things, crease each edge up, crease another edge up.